Fifth grade into math lesson 3.3, part 2 recording. So we went ahead and finished off number 5 and got 65, remainder 83 as our answer. Number 12 through 14, write a division equation that estimates the value of the expression. Then use your estimate to divide, adjusting numbers as needed. So we're just going to do 12 and then cross off 13 and 14 as that can be extra work if we would need it. So what would we adjust 34 to? So we always come and do our, so what's some, what should we do? 30, okay. And then we're going to adjust 1,598 to, well, 15 is a multiple of 3, right? Okay, so if we wanted to do that. Now, that would get us 50 as our estimate, right? Okay, and then now we need to find our actual answer. So number 12, we're going to have 1,598 divided by 34. Okay, so we said that would go in there about 5 times. So let's see if that works. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 5 times 3 is plus 2 is, so that gives 170. So is that going to work? No, it's too high, right? So we're going to say 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So 23, right? Bring down the 8. Okay. 3 goes into 23 how many times? 7. Okay, so let's try it. 7 times 4 is 28. Put the 8, carry the 2. 7 times 3 is plus 2 is, and nothing left over. So our answer is 47. On your own, number 15, Amanda and Jessica each make a different estimate before dividing 1,305 divided by 26. Amanda's estimate is 1,200 divided by 30 equals 40. How did Amanda adjust the first digit from the estimate to find the first digit in the whole number quotient? So if we put 1,305 divided by 26, so 26 doesn't go in 1, doesn't go in 13. How many times would it go in 130? So 26 is about what? 25, right? How many times does 25 go into 100? 4. And could you add one more? 5. Okay, so let's try it. So 0, carry the 3. Does that get us exactly? And then 5 doesn't go in there. Minus 0. So our answer should be 50, remainder 5, right? Okay. So her answer would have been what? Or her first place would have been too low. And then she had to use a 5 instead. Jessica's estimate was 60. So her digit would have been too high. And then she still would have had to adjust it to. Number 16, attention precision. A new machine can cut 2,576 blocks each day. This is 28 times as many blocks as the current machine can cut each day. How many blocks can the current machine cut each day? Make an estimate, then use your estimate to divide. So we would estimate, so we do our 28 to what? 30. What's a multiple of 3 that gets me close to 25, either a little high or a little low? 24. Okay, so 2,400. Mark off my zeros. This in a box. So 80, right? Okay, so then I'm actually going to come over here and I'm going to take 2,576 divided by 28. And we said 8 times. 8 times 8 is 4. Carry it the 6. 8 times 2 is plus 6 is 21, right? Oh, Okay, so 3, 3. So that's to what? We need to change it to a 9. So 9 times 8 is 72. Carry the 7. 9 times 2 is 18 plus, what do you say, 7? So 25. So 5 left over. Bring down the 6. How many times is 28 going to 56? Twice, right? 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is, so nothing left over. So what's our actual answer? 92. Cool. So our estimate was actually a little low, right? Which we found that out when we actually divided. Okay. Number 17, Jamie wants to put 2,936 movie posters into 85 tubes with the same number in each tube. He finds two estimates for the expression 2,936 divided by 85 and 2,000, or that's what we would need. He does the first estimate is 2,700 divided by 90, and the next one as 3,200 divided by 80 equals 40. Use each estimate to divide. What adjustments, if any, must be made using this estimate? So 2,936 divided by 85. Okay, so we said 85 could be about 9, right? Okay, so we need to decide are we using the 8 or the 9? Okay, so what do you guys think? Three? Should we try 3? Okay, so 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 8 is plus 1 is, so this becomes a 13 and this becomes an 8. So 38, right? So did that 3 work for us? Okay, bring down the 6. So how many times do you think? And it'd be more than 4. What do you think? So 9 in there, so 4? 4 times? Okay. All right, 4 times 5 is, carrying the 2. So 4 times 8 is, plus 2 is, so 6, so 46, so 34 remainder, 46. So use each estimate to divide, right adjustments if any. So basically, we needed to go with the, so we needed 3 because 4 was too high. What does your work tell you about finding different estimates for the same division expression? That sometimes you can have a too high, sometimes you can have a too low, or sometimes you can pick just the right one, right? Okay. All right.